What if I told you there's a tiny seed that could help you lose weight, fight off cravings, and even improve your digestion? It's not some fancy superfood you've never heard of. It's chia seeds. In this video, we'll break down exactly why you should eat chia seeds every day, and how this tiny seed could make a huge difference in your overall health. Stay tuned, because you'll want to add this to your diet ASAP. 1. Nutrient powerhouse. Let's start with the facts. Chia seeds are a nutritional powerhouse. In just 1 tablespoon, you get an impressive amount of omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, protein, antioxidants, and key minerals like magnesium and calcium. Omega-3s are essential for brain health, and chia seeds offer more of these healthy fats than even some types of fish. Meanwhile, the fiber content keeps your digestive system running smoothly, and protein helps with muscle repair and keeping you fuller for longer. 2. Weight loss and satiety. Struggling with weight loss or managing hunger? Chia seeds have a unique ability to absorb water, up to 12 times their own weight. This means they expand in your stomach, helping you feel full longer without the extra calories. This not only reduces snacking and overeating but can also curb those pesky cravings. Plus, chia seeds stabilize blood sugar levels, preventing the spikes and crashes that often lead to poor food choices. 3. Energy boost and endurance. If you often feel tired or run down, chia seeds can give you a natural energy boost. Thanks to their combination of protein, fiber, and healthy fats, they provide steady energy throughout the day without the crashes that come with sugary snacks or caffeine. In fact, athletes have been using chia seeds for centuries to improve endurance. The ancient Aztecs even referred to chia as warrior food, using it as fuel for long days of physical activity. 4. Digestion and gut health. Here's another powerful benefit. Chia seeds are incredibly high in fiber, both soluble and insoluble. When soaked, chia seeds form a gel-like substance, which helps regulate digestion and keep things moving in your digestive tract. This natural gel acts like a broom, sweeping toxins and waste from your system. It also feeds the good bacteria in your gut, promoting a healthier digestive environment. 5. Heart and bone health. Chia seeds also pack a punch when it comes to heart and bone health. They're rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce inflammation, lower bad cholesterol, and support overall cardiovascular function. And get this, gram for gram, chia seeds contain more calcium than most dairy products. That's right, just 1 ounce of chia seeds gives you 18% of your daily calcium needs, supporting stronger bones and teeth. 6. Easy to use. Here's the best part. Chia seeds are incredibly easy to add to your daily routine. Toss them into smoothies, sprinkle them over your yogurt, mix them into oatmeal, or even use them to make chia pudding. No special prep required. With their mild taste and versatility, chia seeds are a super simple, no-fuss way to supercharge your health. So, what are you waiting for? Try adding chia seeds to your meals today and see how they transform your health. Whether you're looking to lose weight, boost your energy, or support your heart and digestion, chia seeds are the perfect daily addition. Leave a comment below and let me know how you're planning to add chia seeds to your diet. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe to Health Blanket, and share it with someone who could use this tiny but mighty health boost.